Hey, hello guys, welcome to my another video. I hope everyone is doing good. Okay, so there are few important moments which I missed in my previous video. कुछ ऐसे moments है जो मैंने अपने last video में miss कर दी थी and हो सकता है कि आपको reality नहीं पता. So let's get into the video. So we already know what happened already. So उसके अलावा कुछ और interesting moments है and there's a forceful and hateful Jikook moment too. Let's talk about that moment first. You know guys, I just hate Big Shit and Hype and their managers so much. They just doesn't have any humanity. No, they doesn't. Clearly proved, as you can clearly see, when Taekook arrived, जब ताइकुक वहाँ पे पहुँचे कॉन्सर्ट में, देयर वॉज नो ऑफिशियल कैमराज. कोई कैमरा वैमरा नहीं था, सिर्फ फैन कैमरा दूर से रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे. दे वर सो प्राइवेट. बट व्हेन एवरीवन गेट टू नो दैट ताइकुक वेंट टू शुगर्स कॉन्सर्ट, जब सबको पता चला कि ताइकुक शुगर के कॉन्सर्ट में गए हैं, तो उसके बाद बहुत सारे बिग हिट के कैमराज एंड बहुत सारे कैमराज आ गए जब वो लोग लौट रहे थे. एंड बिग शिट, जस्ट शेम ऑन यू. And this MF manager, he just told to Jimin and Jungkook that you can see there's a camera. We need you guys to do some fan service. So we will use those clips in our upcoming Bangtan Bomb. And JK was refusing. He was saying, no MF, don't force me to do that. We will not. Right, Jimin Hyung? Jimin was like, yeah, we will not do any fan service more. But then that MF was like, it's my boss order, you guys have to do that, otherwise be ready for consequences. JK was like, okay, I am okay with that. But Jimin was like, sorry JK, but I am not okay with that. So Jimin did this in front of camera. And JK got so upset. And just look at that manager. उसकी वो हंस रहा है, वो कैसे MF, how can you smile when JK is so upset? And they did this when Tai was not around. Why MF? Are you afraid of Tai that he will kick your ass? MFS. Such MFS. Meaning नहीं पता, जाके गूगल कर लो. I know Jimin is not bad, but he could deny, right? But still, okay, I'm not saying anything. मैं कुछ नहीं कह रही. Because इस सब के बाद हमको ताइकुक के बहुत सारे क्यूट मोमेंट्स मिले थे. ये सारी चीज़ें मैं मिस कर दी थी. तो जेके का एक हाथ यहाँ पे था, दूसरा हाथ यहाँ पे था, एंड कौन इन दोनों हाथों के बीच में खड़ा हुआ है? ताई वॉज स्टैंडिंग बिटवीन जेके's आर्म्स. जेके वॉज टचिंग ताई's हैंड सॉफ्टली. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जेके ने जब ताई के कानों में कुछ कहा था तो वो यही कह रहा होगा कि इन MFS ने मुझे फोर्स किया फैन सर्विस करने के लिए, मैंने मना किया लेकिन जिमिन योंग ने फिर से किया. डोंट बी मैड और डोंट बी अपसेट व्हेन यू विल सी दैट क्लिप्स. And Tai was clearly like, no problem. This world is going to see that you belong to whom. किससे belong करते हो? And yeah, Taekook showed this MFS and the whole world. No matter if you guys love to ship us with others. अगर आप लोग हम लोगों को किसी और के साथ शिप करना पसंद भी करते हो, doesn't matter. Because in the end of the day, we belong to only each other. And you MFS will can't change that fact. Because Taekook is real and Taekook forever. So yeah guys, these things I missed in my videos. Remember, I love all of them. I am OT7. Also remember that I am not a shipper. I am Taekook believer. But जहाँ गलत लगेगा वहाँ मैं ज़रूर बोलूँगी, चाहे जिमिन गलती करे या Taekook करे. यहाँ पे I feel Jimin did bad, but I respect him. I love him, but I think he didn't have any options, so he did that. But to see JK's face, JK का फेस जब मैंने देखा कि वो इतना ज़्यादा अपसेट था, my heart felt little angry on Jimin, that's all. But after all this drama, Jimin chose to not interrupt Taekook anymore. So he left Taekook to enjoy their moments and he didn't follow Taekook, and Taekook happily left that place while walking side by side. So yeah, the main thing is we clearly got to see that ऐसे होता है and ऐसे किया जाता है fan service. Plan अच्छा था, लेकिन we already know the reality. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I don't know in upcoming Bangtan bomb what are we gonna see, but we already know the reality, so doesn't matter what they gonna show us. Do let me know your opinion on comments. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, happy, and always support and believe our Thai cook no matter what. And now let's shout together with me. Thai cook forever!